Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI platform for creative, which is DeepAI. So let's quickly dive into it. And here's the breakdown. The DeepAI is a versatile AI platform that offers a suite of creative tools in one place, from text to image generation and neutral style transfer to text generation, summarization, and more. It's designed for creators who wants a one-step hub for generating visual creative text and experimental AI output without hopping between multiple apps. So talking about the pros include a broad range of AI tools, easy access for beginners, consistent image quality, simple API option, and flexible usage for both creative projects and quick prototypes. The downsides are that deep AI tools aren't always as advanced as specialized as dedicated platforms like Midjourney for hyper-realistic art or GPT-powered system for deep text generation. Some tools feel more experimental than polished, and the free tier can be limited for heavy users. Also, talking about the downside, which is the cons, they also include the mixed output quality across tool set, fewer advanced customization options than niche apps. The usage limits on free plan are also nothing to talk about. So in my opinion, I actually think the DeepAI is worth using in 2025 if you want a broader, beginner-friendly creative AI platform that covers image, text, and more in one place. Just don't expect top-tier results in every category, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review. You're welcome.